In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get your first 1000 subscribers in just 3 days. This exact strategy took my other channel from 0 to 1000 subscribers in 3 days. And I am doing it again starting now on this channel. So that by the end of the 3rd day, we are going to be achieving our first 1000 subscribers through this particular strategy I am going to show you right now. Welcome to Learn with Lydia. Here we break down simple but powerful strategies to help you grow on YouTube faster. If you are serious about taking your channel to the next level, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notification bell so that you never miss tips like this. For today's strategy, all you need is your mobile phone. Just follow along carefully what I am going to show you because every detail matters. Also, watch this video till the very end because I'll share the most important do's and don'ts that can make or break the results. Let's get into it.
First, you need to have an Instagram app on your phone. If you don't have, install the app from Google Play Store and sign up. Then, open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, click on the search tab to see the trending videos on Instagram. These are videos trending on Instagram now. Go ahead and choose any video that grabs people's attention, a video that keeps people watching for longer. Let's see. Now let's go with this one. I know money catches people's eyes. Once you find that particular video, what you need to do is to download the video. And this is how you are going to download the video from Instagram without having any Instagram watermark on it. Tap on share, then come down here and copy the link. Once you are done copying the link, minimize Instagram. Let's minimize Instagram. What we are going to do next is to go to Play Store or Apple Store to download an app that can download videos from Instagram without the Instagram watermark. When you click on Play Store, click on the search tab, search for InSaver or InstaSaver. Now we have a couple of apps that you can use to download videos from Instagram without the Instagram watermark. For me, I prefer InSaver or InstaSaver. Let's go with this InSaver, the last one. Like you can see, mine is already installed. If you don't have it, go ahead and install it in your phone. So since mine is already installed, what I'm going to do is to click on open. When you open the InSaver app, it will look like this. Then come and paste the link we copied from Instagram right here. Then click on download. Like you can see, congratulations, download complete. Just like that, the video is downloaded and automatically saved in your phone gallery. What we are going to do next is to minimize this InSaver app and go to our YouTube app. Let's minimize it. The next step is to go to our YouTube app. Click on it to open. Guys, try this method, it works. It's really good for getting those subscribers faster. Inside your YouTube app, click on this plus sign down here. It will redirect you to Shorts. This is what you are going to do next after opening Shorts. Tap on the gallery right here. Once you click on the gallery, you are going to see the video that we downloaded from the InSaver and then click on it. Select it, then click on next. We are going to click on done. It's going to go through the processing phase as usual. What we are going to do now is to make this video my own. And to make it my own, this is what I'm going to do. I am going to be adding trending music on this video so that it doesn't have the music it came with from Instagram. Click on add sound. We are going to click on a music that has been used by the highest number of shots. Let's go with this one that has been used by 12 million shots. Paso Bem Salto. It means that it is the music that is trending at the top. What you need to do is to click on the song and it will choose automatically. After adding the music, what we are going to do now is to add the captions. As I told you before, the main reason why we are doing this is for YouTube not to flag this video for copyright issues. We are adding value generally to this video. We are going to add like, wow. This is what we are going to add here. Wow. Then click on done. We can move our text where we want it, up or down. After adding your caption, click on next. Here you will be required to add your video details and we will begin with the thumbnail. To change the thumbnail, click on this pencil right here. Let's pick any part of the video that is attractive. All of them appears attractive. So let's go with that one. After adding your thumbnail, add the title. Let's say our title is dollar money. Then put an emoji that shows that someone is surprised. After that, don't forget to add the hashtag shorts. It is very important. Just use one hashtag, hashtag shorts. After this, I will schedule my shorts. Now, this is what we are going to do. Click on the visibility, then click on schedule. We want it to go live tomorrow. So the date is automatically set 20th so that it goes live tomorrow on 20th. We shall have given it a whole day. Then click on OK. Time, you can choose any time of your choice. Let's go with 6 p.m. Then click on OK. Then we are done with the schedule. Like I have said, schedule it so that YouTube do what they do for the shorts internally before they process it into the algorithm. Let's go to altered content. We have not used any AI to create this video. Let's choose no. Disclosing whether your video is altered with or not does not affect your video's performance in any way. It is important to disclose it. Some people leave this part unattended. Then for the audience, it is not made for kids. Please clarify that it is not made for kids. Then click on upload shorts. We are done. Before we upload this short, there are 2 things you need to know. To get the results faster, upload 6 shorts every single day. Then, when you get your 1,000 subscribers, go ahead and delete these shorts and stop uploading them, because they will keep bringing you subscribers who will not be interested in your long form videos, and this will hurt your channel. Now, go ahead and upload the shorts. As I told you, I'm also uploading it.
And that's it. Like I have said, this particular strategy will give you 1,000 subscribers in just 3 days. And believe me when I say in just 3 days. If this video gave you some value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on the next one. Watch this next video if you want to know how these famous Kenyan YouTubers blew up with their contents. Bye, and thank you for watching. Thanks for your time.